If you want to change your voice in Discord, first of all, go to your browser and search for Clownfish Voice Changer. Open the first link and then click on download. Close ads and now go ahead and download the Clownfish Voice Changer according to your computer requirements. Now go to your File Explorer and install Clownfish Voice Changer. Once it's successfully installed, click on Next and Finish. Now launch the Clownfish Voice Changer.
Now click on Show Hidden Icon. And here we can see the Clownfish Voice Changer installed.
Now it's time to set up Clownfish Voice Changer. So right click on Clownfish Voice Changer and here hover over on setup and hover over on microphone and then select your current microphone here. Again, open Said Voice Changer and here we can see the Clownfish Voice Changer dashboard. Now here you get bunch of different voice effects. You can actually choose any of them from here. So first of all, we need to activate the Clownfish Voice Changer. So again, click this Show Hidden Icons and here double click this Clownfish icon.
Once this color changed to orange, it means Clownfish is now activated. And now
You can actually choose any voice effects from here.
And now, once your voice effect add date using Clownfish, go to your Discord, click on User Settings, and here click on Voice and Video. Under microphone, you need to choose here your current microphone device. And now, you are ready to use a different voice in your Discord. You can just join in a voice chat or you can make a call and your voice is now changed. Thanks for watching.